Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to manually power off your QCY Buds ANC wireless earbuds. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the QCY app, and then we're going to go to the device option and then take out your earbuds out of the case to make sure that they connect to the app, and also make sure that they have been paired with the app prior to this. So we're going to go to device, setting, and scroll down to timing power off, select that, and then select power off right now. So once you press the power off right now option, the earbuds will be fully powered off. And if you want to turn them on again, you just place them back in the case, and then just take them out again, and they will be rebooted and powered back on and connected to your phone. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.